Another tune that came from the prairies. I think I'm going to do a tune of mine that was inspired by a trip up to a northern Saskatchewan community called Lac La Ronge. I went up there and did a big rock and roll show in the Lac La Ronge United Church. And the next day I was leaving town and all the locals said, "Jeffrey, you got to go to this place called Robertson's Trading Post." And I went in. It was like walking back in time 200 years. It's the last operating fur trading post in Canada. And there was dry goods on the shelves. There was buckskin coats hanging from the rafters. There were furs. There were stuffed animals. There were carvings. There was a big canoe hanging from the ceiling. And trappers were walking in the door with fur over their shoulder and under their arms to trade for dry goods or for cash. That's to say that at Robertson's Trading Post, fur is still a form of currency. And they also take Visa. I used my Visa and bought a paddle, and the paddle inspired this song. It's called Birchbark Canoe. It's a song about love. And I think love can last through anything if you work at it, if you wanted to. It's also a song about people seeing past their differences and looking for commonality to try to move forward together in the world. I think it's a perfect song for where we seem to be at in this day and age. This is called Birchbark Canoe. Staring at the autumn leaves with hanging on the tree. Is that what I was like then? Father with you, you're changing minds and changing you, saying maybe we're better off this way. We flickered out a fading dream, disappeared down cloudy streams, churning we the rest were down. And sailing out the water's flow to oceans and mistakes I've known. It's true, you want to see them from afar. Throw a stone, the ripples flow, we're drifting apart. But if just you and me, we're floating out to sea in a broken old Birchbark Canoe. We both find a way to come back again together. Yeah, yes we do. Oh, it's true. The yellow sun, the midday June, singing in a somber blue, and shadows tiptoed in and took you by the hand. And they let you up a tidal wave and left you in a very haze like your father couldn't see the land. I throw a stone, the ripples flow and break on the sand. But if just you and me were floating out to sea in a broken old Birchbark Canoe, we both found a way to come back again together. Yeah, yes we do. Oh, it's true. Throw us down, the ripples flow, we're drifting apart. All right. I would like to know at this point in the tune, just a little check-in. How are you doing so far tonight, Ottawa Gatineau? Are you okay? I want to get you to sing with me. I want to turn this into the Ottawa Gatineau Canadian Museum of History Folk Festival. So I'm gonna sing the line, "It's Just You and Me," and you're gonna sing back, "It's Just You and Me." We've got a great cathedral-like acoustics in here to see how your voices carry. And I know we got the crowd in here to do it, so I want some harmony. I don't be dramatic here. Here we go. I go first, you repeat. But if just you and me were floating out to sea. Beautiful. But if just you and me, yeah, we're floating out to sea in the broken old Birchbark Canoe. We both found a way to come back again together. Yeah, that's good news. Oh, it's true. All right, we're going to finish this tune up. Just the piano and your voices. That was really beautiful. I really appreciate the harmony. And I have to mention too, I'm coming back to Ottawa on May the 30th for a show at the National Arts Centre, if anybody wants to check that out. And but I've got great expectations of you finishing this tune up. It's going to be just me and you and your gorgeous voices. Here we go. I go first. Oh, but if just you we're floating out to sea. Oh, but if just you and me, we're floating out to sea. In the broken old Birchbark Canoe. Thank you very much.